Hi guys, it's James again from CMC. Today I'm going to show you your essential routine checks on your motorcycle. These should be made weekly without fail to ensure that your bike is safe for any journey.
The first thing you need to do is get your bike on a paddock stand. It's always worth getting a friend to help you stable the bike. Don't forget to wear your personal protection gloves. Before applying chain lube, we also recommend to clean your chain. You do not want to put new chain lube over old chain lube what might have particles in. We have chosen to use the Muck Off chain cleaner and the Oxford chain brush. Please make sure that any residue that goes onto the wheel or the disc is cleaned off appropriately. Now the chain is clean, it's time to use the correct lubrication for your chain. It all depends on the type of riding and the time of the year. Muck Off do a great range of chain lubes, from the dry chain lube to the wet chain lube to the all-weather chain lube. We have chosen to use the all-weather chain lube. At first I would recommend to spray it inside the chain, moving your wheel clockwise. This will lubricate the inside of the chain and the gravity will pull the lubrication through the system. Once you're happy that you've lubricated the inside of the chain, move on to the outside of the chain, but please be careful you do not get any overspray on the wheel or the disc. Afterwards, wipe any excess off the chain and you're ready to go. Now it's a great time to check your chain for wear and tight spots. By doing this, you get the centre of the chain and feel if there's any play or any tight spots. Check your tyres for wear and damage such as nails in the tyre. Do this by doing a visual and feel check. Check your tyre pressures are running the correct PSI that the manufacturer recommends. This can be found in your owner's manual. This is the time to do a visual inspection on your bike. Start at the back of the bike and work your way to the front. Make sure that there's no parts that may need tightening down or replacing. Check your fluid levels on your front and rear brake master cylinders. I'd also say have a visual inspection of the lines to make sure there's no leaks. Next, check your brake pads and discs for wear. This is done by visual inspection. Next, check the engine oil and use the sight glass to check the levels. Also check the coolant of your motorcycle. Clutch cable is running free and there's no frays on the cable. If you find that you need any work doing on your bike after doing your visual inspections, call one of our CMC Motorcycles service departments where one of our fully trained technicians will be able to help you.